Here's a room tour of 2326. The construction's right out over here. It's not that noisy. You can't hear very much once we're in the room. We're just going to be checking out today, so the room has not as neat as when we came in. And there is a safe here right at the front, your hair dryer, closet. You get two bathrobes. There's a scale, an umbrella, an area here where you can do your makeup, and a nice big bathroom, double sinks. If you're into burning incense, there you have that as well. A nice bathroom area with a privacy door and a huge shower with a rain shower. They have pharmacopoeia, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And they have a handheld shower head, and it's big. They also have an espresso coffee maker in your room, which is handy in the mornings. And the room is very big. Nicely laid out. They have a lot of electrical outlets for charging and USB ports. They also have a tablet where you could look up the restaurants, dining, spa, and you can even order room service from here. And there's more outlets here. And a mini fridge where they will stock with beer, drinks, and water on a daily basis. A nice sitting area here. And then you come out to here and you have your own jacuzzi. Sitting area. The nice view of the ocean. Down there are the restaurants. You get to see this nice circular artwork here, and at nighttime it lights up with different themes. Very nice at night. Down here is the gym. And people do yoga here in the mornings. That over there is the main area, the plaza. And all in all, it's a great room. It's handy to everything. It's not very noisy. And you can sit here and just relax.